Hey guys, this is Crazy Studio 67, and today we're going to ride my bike to my friend's house. Let's go on the trip. Oh no. So and again. Oh no. This. Are you ready? We're going for the trip. Oh no. Let's go. Oh no. Maybe I think there's a camera here. There's a guy there. Make this timer stop again. Like this. Maybe the camera won't fall again. So we just have to do this. And let's go. No cars are along my way. Oh shoot. I have to bring the eyebrow back. If you can't see my screen, you can only turn the camera upside down to see my video. Go. Wait a second. So get ready for the ride. Hey everybody, get ready for the ride. Hey guys, this is Crazy Studio 67, and today we're going to ride a bike to my friends. Let's go. Oh no, it is covered on the top. Camera here. Oh yeah, time for a trip. Oh. Ow. Oh shoot. Never mind. Camera here. This is Crazy Studio 67, but maybe you can't see my face. Because I'm ready. Oh no, there's a car coming! Run, run, run! What was you saying? Run! My face is here. That car can't stop us now. Then we put it here. not the time to do this. Oh no, maybe you can't see my screen. Oh, you can see a little bit. Do more faster. Something is wrong. Oh no, oh no. Stop, we had to stop a little bit at here. Oi, Fee! Oh, that's my friend. That's my other friend. Let's go and see a little bit. In the right thingy, the right basket in front of my bicycle. Yeah. Cover the. No. This one. No. I'm getting tired of this. Oh, this was my maybe just no inside. I really set off this. Go, Vinny. Go, Vinny, go. 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 Go.